Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. This is 106th video in our PTC Creo Parametric course where we are covering everything from the basics to advanced technique. If you are new here and want to start from beginning, be sure to check out the playlist link in the description below. In the previous video, we explored curvature analysis on Curve Inside Style tool, and in this video, we going to continue with the same curvature analysis tool, but this time we're going to focus on analyzing curvature on surfaces. This is especially important in freeform modeling and class A surfacing, where the surface smoothness and continuity directly impact the design quality. So let's see how we can get started. So here you can see I am already in Creo style extension. Now, just like what we did in last case, we need to select the curvature analysis tool, and instead of selecting an edge, here what we need to do is we need to select the surface. And as soon as you select the surface, we can see 5 different curvature that not only go across U side, or we can say in short X side to simplify, and Y side as well. So you're gonna see how the curvature is changing across 2 dimension. So it is really nice thing to see. And of course you can increase the number of curve by simply increasing the number of plots one want in first direction, and in a similar way you can also increase the number of plot in this V direction, for example. So let me also increase that one. So in this way guys, not only we can do analysis in one direction but across the surface, across both direction. Okay, and then generally people also add this kind of analysis with, let's say, reflection or not, to further enhance their analysis. Now here we can also see the values which talk about the minimum curvature and maximum curvature. Now let me actually unselect this surface, and probably I'm gonna also make them less, the number of curve that we want in both. And now let's say I also would like to select this remaining part. So all I need to do is I need to press Control, and now I can see how these both parts are also connected. And then here we are not only performing this curvature analysis on this direction, okay, along the curve, but also 90° to the curve or normal to the curve. And now here you can also play with other settings, for example quality, scale, and so on. And the good thing here is you have independent control, so you can make scale less in one direction and high in one direction, and all other feature I would say remain same. So in this way guys, we can perform curvature analysis across surface, and we also saw how independently we can control these direction, and all the remaining feature I would say remain same, just like we have got in single curve analysis. And let's say you also would like to save this curvature analysis, then here in the bottom you can go and click on saved and then hit OK. Now here you can see, you always can see this curvature analysis on the top of your surface. Now again, let me click on curvature analysis. Now let's click here on saved analysis, and from here I can actually delete it. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If you also want to elevate your engineering skills, then be sure to subscribe to Engineering Pritam, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.